Hi guys, I'm Jake Bresson with Bresson Painting. I'm bringing you guys another quick tip on painting your doors. If we had painted the door, obviously there's not a door here on this frame. If we had painted this door in place, we would want to leave it open for as long as possible to set up. Now, if your paint hasn't set up all the way and you go to close it at night, your painted surface on your door is going to stick to your weather stripping. A lot of modern weather stripping is easily removable. So for starters, here's the modern weather stripping that I'm talking about. This isn't a piece of copper that's been nailed in. This is your standard big box store, new builder weather stripping. And the way that you start it to remove it is simply find a corner and give it a little tug, and you're just going to work your way the whole way down the frame. Just pulling it straight back, nice and gently. You find a corner, and that can sometimes be the hardest part. If you have a utility knife or a screwdriver handy, you can use it to pry the edges down so that you can grab onto it better. I should add as well that as you're pulling these out, you do want to be as gentle as possible, although sometimes you might run into a piece of weather stripping that's going to tear on you. Don't worry, because weather stripping, I think, runs under $10 for a new strip at a big box store. This is going to be the side that goes up against your door frame, and this little lip here is going to go inside the channel on your door frame when you put it back in, and here's the part that makes the tight seal when your door closes. When you go to put the weather stripping back in, you want to have it flush up against the door frame, and these two little flanges are going to lock into the channel that is in your door frame. And you're just going to take it and place it up against that channel and start at one end and work your way in the same direction by pressing it firmly and locking it into place. If you get hung up with this step, you can also use a putty knife on the back side to press it in.